We want the horses to be quick to move off. If we click or we ask, I want you to move now. But on the other side of that, whenever they do move and give you what you want, you don't want to just keep clicking and keep after them when they're already doing what you want. You have to be quick to click for the trot as soon as he trots. Stop clicking, stop moving your hands. All right. I'm gonna walk to my right, which is gonna turn him to his left. Look how I take my left rein around his butt, his back legs. I keep turning, I keep turning. Very nice. Notice these 25-foot lines, they really keep me pretty stationary. It's the middle of July in South Mississippi and I'm not even sweating hard.